अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल कम्प्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी। सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। आज हम पढ़ेंगे इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया ऑन स्टूडेंट्स। सोशल मीडिया ब्रिंग्स कम्युनिकेशंस, no need for snail mails and telegrams to get your message across. With a single click, one's message reaches the intended recipient. In case of urgent news, social media can help students get the attention of the persons they wish to contact immediately. Increases through forums, students are able to contribute their opinion and thought on certain topics and themes that interest them. By participating in discussion, they engage in positive self-expression, strengthens relationships. For some, communicating online is simpler than communicating personally. Virtually chatting with an acquaintance allows students to learn more about each other, thus strengthening the trust between the two parties. It also bridges distance through social media. Adolescents who want to stay in touch and reconnect with a friend from their past can quickly do so. Builds bridges over barriers. Through social media, students are able to meet new friends from foreign areas and distant lands. Communicating with individuals from different cultures can help students become more sensitive to culture differences. Helps them find identity. As students personalize their profile, they experience a sense of independence. Aside from being able to share their ideas and interests with others, they also get to join that help them fit in and foster their identity. Boost their confidence. Facebook like and good comments tend to be overwhelmingly positive. For pickup updates, a student can check their profile and automatically again affirmation, validation, confidence and self-esteem. Battle depression. Blogging can be therapeutic for students who are confused, down, or need to vent frustrations. When they log on to a social community, they find people to talk to and those who all listen. 1 and 2. 1. Gradually. Number 2. Unleashes, educates and potential. Because of the sharing opinion, social media network giving teens chance to share informative videos and articles with each other. It also helps them reach out to their academic experts. Potential. Many young and emerging dancers, singers and artists gain popularity through the internet. Thanks to social media networking sites, talented teenagers can show the world what they are good at. थैंक यू। आप सबसे गुजारिश है कि मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें।